After you imagine that dream job opportunity, business deal, dream partner, house or car is created somewhere in your universe, let's understand how reality creation happens. Most of the things that we experience on planet Earth, including you, me, and your manifestation goals like money, dream house, or car, are in the form of solid, liquid, or gas, which are a part of normal matter. And normal matter is made up of atoms, and atoms consists of subatomic particles like neutrons, protons, and electrons. Using these particles, there was an experiment conducted called as the double slit experiment. This is how the setup looks like. There was an electron gun shooting electrons one by one towards a wall which had two slits, like two openings or two windows next to each other, and there was a screen behind the wall capturing where the electrons hit. When electrons are shot one after the other, like shooting a tennis ball, naturally we expect it to either go through left slit or the right slit, forming two bands on the screen, right? But what is actually seen on the screen is an interference pattern with multiple bands. Now this interference can only occur when something passes through both the slits at the same time. Let me repeat that for you. This interference can only occur when something passes through both the slits at the same time, like a wave passing through both the slits and overlapping to create a similar pattern. Here you can see that a single wave is passing through both the slits at the same time and getting split into child waves, which in turn overlap and create a similar pattern that we see on the screen. All the peaks or humps are similar to bright bands on the screen. All the dumps or valleys are similar to dark bands on the screen. And the amplitude of the wave is proportional to brightness of the band. So scientists concluded that each particle behaved like a wave passing through both the slits at the same time, which means there is a possibility of electron going through left slit and there is a possibility of electron going through right slit, both at the same time. Both possibilities coexist. This is called as quantum superposition in quantum physics. That's why in the world of manifestation we believe that your life too contains many possibilities and parallel realities. There is a possibility where you're extremely successful and there is a possibility where you're not so successful. There is a possibility where you're extremely rich and not so wealthy, both at the same time. There is a possibility where you own that dream house, dream car, money, job promotion, life partner, ideal weight. All possibilities exist. But those are just possibilities, right? How to bring your desired possibility into reality? So to investigate further, scientists placed a measuring device to detect which slit the particle passed through. When they did this, multiple bands disappeared and only two distinct bands appeared on the screen, meaning it wasn't behaving like a wave anymore. It acted like a particle passing through just one slit where it was measured. If it was measured at the left slit, the particle passed through left slit. If it was measured at the right slit, it passed through the right slit, but never both like it did before. So the particle went through just one slit when measured. The act of measurement affected its behavior. That's called as observer effect. And this is not human observation. There's a lot of misconception and misinterpretation on the internet. It is an interaction with the environment that causes this effect. Now there are many interpretations for this behavior. Copenhagen's interpretation says that the particles exist as waves until you measure them. Then the wave collapses into a definite particle. The many worlds interpretation says that the wave never collapses. Instead, all possible outcomes already exist in a multiverse, and observation simply determines which branch of the parallel universe you become aware of. Though there are multiple interpretations, all interpretations agree that superposition is real. Before an interaction, multiple possibilities exist simultaneously. After an interaction, a definite outcome appears. Imagine the left slit as a possibility in your imaginary universe where nothing exists, and right slit as a possibility in your imaginary universe where everything you desire exists. Your dream house, dream car, dream job, and money. Both possibilities coexist in superposition. Same as how wave collapses into a particle after an interaction in the quantum world, in the manifestation world, we believe that your imagination collapses into reality after a conscious interaction at an energy level. If you consciously interact with left slit where nothing exists, that is, focusing on the possibility of lack, nothing gets created. And if you consciously interact with the right slit where everything you want exists, that is, focusing on what you want, all that gets created in your universe. In my case, when I imagined earning $100,000 for several weeks, that job opportunity got created in US. That's how reality creation takes place. Next step is to take intuitive action, which we will understand in the next video. Don't forget to download Manifestation Workbook, link is in the description.